Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter How much land does a man need? Okay, in the previous video lesson we have discussed about the character Paham. Paham was a ambitious peasant. He was having so much land, but then too he was very greedy. He wanted to have more and more land. One day he heard of a deal, so he decided to grab that deal. The name of the owner was Bhaskir. So he wanted to purchase the land by giving 1,000 rubles. But the owner of the land said that how much land you will walk, that land will belong to you. Okay, so after hearing this deal, Paham was very happy that wow, this is an amazing thing that if I will walk on a land, that land will belong to me. So he was very happy after hearing this type of proposal. At that night he was very excited. He was very feeling so much happy, joyful, right? Next morning he went to the starting point and then he started moving. Okay, while he was moving, he was digging the land also to mark it that it belonged to him. In afternoon he decided to return back, but when he decided to return back, he was seeing that the starting point from where he has started is not visible to him. So now he was worried that how he will reach to the starting point till the sun down, because if he will not reach before the sundown, all the money will be forfeited by the village elder. So his breath was breathless, he was restless, his body was tired, but then too he was continuously running and running so that he can reach the starting point on time. So today we will continue from here. As he finally reached the hill, everything suddenly became dark. So what happened? He finally reached the hill and now everything was what? Everything was dark. The sun had set. Paham groaned. Sun क्या हो चुका था? डूब चुका था. Paham was groaning, means he was shouting in pain. He wanted to stop but heard the Bhaskir still cheering. Means he wanted to stop. वो रुकना चाहता था but heard the Bhaskir still cheering. But then he listened the voice that Bhaskir was still cheering. Bhaskir was still saying, come on, you can come. He realized that from where he was at the bottom of the hill, the sun had set, but not for the people on top. Means what he has realized that he was on the bottom of the hill. Means वो hill के कहाँ पे है? नीचे है. So at that place sun has set, but at the place where all the people were standing at the top of the hill, at that place sun had not set. So Paham took a deep breath. Paham ने क्या किया? Deep breath लिया, okay, and rushed up the hill. And then again he was running towards the hill. Okay, reaching the top, he saw the elder sitting by the hat with a devilish smile. So when he reached the top, means when he was on the hill, at the starting point of the hill, means the village elder, he was sitting over there with the hat के साथ बैठा हुआ था with a devilish smile. Devil देखा है ना आपने? जो devil होता है ना, जैसे वो स्माइल करता है उसी तरह से वो स्माइल कर रहा था on his face. Paham legs gave way and he fell forward grasping the cap. पाहम के जो लेग्स थे वो क्या हो गए? गिर गए और उसने वो ऐसे गिरा कि वो क्या कर सके? कैप को क्या कर सके? ग्रास्प कर सके. मीन्स हैट में क्या रखा हुआ था? उसके पैसे रखे थे. 1,000 rubles were where? 1,000 rubles were kept in the cap, right? So he wanted to capture that cap because he was continuously running for grabbing that cap, na, because in the cap 1,000 rubles were there. So he wanted to take that 1,000 rubles. So that is why he was there to take the cap. Now, oh, well done, exclaimed the elder. That's lot of land you have earned yourself. Now what happened? Now elder is saying, oh wow, well done, very good, that you are having so many land you have earned yourself. मीन्स तुमने तो आज कमाल कर दिया, तुमने इतनी लैंड आज तुमने अपने नाम कर ली, है ना. One of the Bhaskirs bent down to help Paham raise himself. Now भास्कर में एक भास्कर था, उसने क्या किया, उसको बेंड डाउन मतलब वो झुका ताकि वो पाहम को क्या कर सके, उठा सके, सो दैट ही कैन हेल्प हिम टू मेक हिम स्टैंड. बट पाहम वॉज डेड. लेकिन पाहम क्या हो चुका था, डेड हो चुका था. ही वॉज नो मोर. द भास्कर पिक्ड अप Paham's spade, dug a grave and burned him 6 feet from head to hill. Now what happened? भास्कर picked up, भास्कर ने उठाया पाहम को, ग्रेव उसके लिए ग्रेव खोदा, ठीक है, और उसके बाद उसमें उसको बुरीड कर दिया. बुरीड मतलब क्या होता है, उसको उसी के अंदर गाड़ देना, ठीक है. सो दैट वॉज ऑल द लैंड ही नीडेड. द भास्कर ऑब्जर्व्ड ग्रेवली. तो एक इंसान को, एक व्यक्ति को कितनी लैंड की जरूरत पड़ती है, बस उतनी ही लैंड चाहिए जितने में एक इंसान क्या हो सके, जिसको हम उसमें डाल सकें और वो उसमें मतलब उसको गाड़ सकें और वो क्या हो जाए, उसमें बंद हो जाए. तो बस उतनी ही लैंड एक व्यक्ति को चाहिए होती है एक जीवन में. दैट मच लैंड इज नीडेड टू अ पर्सन सो दैट ही कैन बी बरीड ओवर दी लैंड. ओके, दैट वॉज द थिंग विच वॉज सेड बाय द बास्किर gravely. Gravely means with sadness. Okay, so this was the story. Now come to the exercise. Now what you have to do, give one word for the following phrases and all the words begin with life. So what you have to do is that you have to give one word for the following phrase. Now, a story that someone tells you about their whole life means if a person is telling a story, if a person is saying something about his life, then it will be known as life story. A jacket that is designed to help you float means a jacket through which you can float, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, life jacket. Lasting throughout life means lifelong. Punishment by which somebody spends the rest of their life in prison is known as life imprisonment. Okay, for example, there are some people who are criminals who have murdered someone, so they will be given what, they will be given life imprisonment, means they have to spend their entire life in the jail. Okay, someone picture or painting that is of the same size as the person. Okay, means for example, you are 6 feet, no, you are 5 foot 3 inch, right? This is the height of a person. So if we are making a picture or we are making a painting of that much size, then it will be known as life size. Okay, so this was all about the chapter. Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.